During a media interaction on Friday, the 23rd of February 2024, MLAs representing the Indian National Congress from Mylliem and Gambegre constituencies, Ronnie V Lyngdoh and Saleng Sangma, respectively, shared their perspectives on various governance issues in the state of Meghalaya. Addressing the departure of certain Congress MDCs and MLAs, Ronnie V Lyngdoh characterized it as a typical pre-election occurrence. He, however, stated no formal communication had been received regarding the reasons for their departure from the Congress party.
See, there are many reasons for this, but then regarding the two MDCs, unless and until they write to us officially, then we'll not be able to know exactly the reason why they leave. Because when they leave, they'll be giving the reasons, and then accordingly we'll be able to share with you why they left. You see, whenever you have elections, you'll all have this trend. People joining other parties and leaving the original party. That is a natural trend everywhere. You see, that's why I said we've not heard from them officially the reason for their leaving. Yeah, officially until they join, we cannot take any action. When they join, we'll ask for explanation.
Saleng Sangma, the Congress MLA from Gambegre, criticized the current MDA government, highlighting numerous incomplete developmental projects, attributing it to the government's focus on too many initiatives at the expense of prior commitments. Regarding the alliance talks between the Indian National Congress and the Trinamool Congress, Saleng Sangma mentioned discussions occurring in West Bengal but clarified they have not extended to other parts of the country.
They have completed 6 years, not 1 year.
Exactly.
I think you are wrong to say that one.
And you too.
I think they're still planning, thinking, to develop the state. They're in that still thinking stage. And then in certain area they're still giving, I think so. So, it's the people who sees more than us. So I don't want to judge, as I'm one of the political, leader. And then moreover, as a Congress, we are teaming up to do something changes. And then definitely we'll discuss few issues which we have already discussed. And then we are bringing forth, like for example, our Bachels, he has already brought the issues of power, and then Gabriel, he has brought lots of issues from his constituency. So likewise, we still have got lots of issues which is not attended yet by this government. So they need to do lots of thinking also. You see, just now we have one of our leader from the opposition, Ardan Masomite, has talked about the the loan. Okay, and then it is already reflected in the budget. Now, if we are taking that much of loan, we'll be in a debt trap in the future. So that way, that dream might just get shattered. You never know, because every citizens from Meghalaya, they will end up paying one way or the other. For example, now MECL power, in the power bill, no household is left out without paying a bill who is already connected with the power, electric. And then in this particular area, everybody has to buy a rice, everybody has to buy the product for their domestic requirement. So that way, when the Meghalaya itself is in a debt trap, then definitely every individual will be ending up paying that particular tax. Definitely government will one day increase the not only the budget, even the even the price rise also will be there. We have already raised about this particular medical colleges and our projects so many times, again and again. But it seems like this government has got new things to come up. Instead of completing all those pending projects, they are bringing new ideas, building new projects. So that way, I think none of the project is going to get completed. And moreover, for your information, Eklavya was once, I think, being called a tender from the Manipur. It was quite embarrassing actually, once, I think so, by MGCC, Manipur Government Construction Corporation, I think so, by them. So now we are bringing back, it's a good on the part of the government to do so, but again, we are taking lots of time even to initiate here in Meghalaya. Yeah, yes, definitely that might be, but especially only for the that West Bengal area, I think so. Other part of the India, they are not having any talks till now.